How to become a QUADCODE affiliate, a step-by-step guide. If you're looking for a profitable way to earn money online, the QUADCODE affiliate program could be just what you need. To get started, be sure to use the link provided in the description and pinned comment of this video to open your account. We also suggest creating your account on QUADCODE Trade through www.plataformadiaffiliados.com to maximize your opportunities. What is QUADCODE? QUADCODE is a cutting-edge trading platform that gives users access to a broad range of financial markets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and more. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface and advanced tools, which help traders make informed decisions and optimize their investments. As an affiliate, you can promote this platform and earn commissions for every new customer you refer. How does the QUADCODE affiliate program work? Sign up. Start by signing up for the QUADCODE affiliate program. It's quick and easy. Just click the link in the description or pinned comment of this video to set up your affiliate account. Access promotional tools. Once registered, you'll have access to a variety of promotional tools, such as banners, links, and other marketing resources. These can be used to effectively promote QUADCODE across your social media, blog, or video content. Promote and generate leads. Share your affiliate links with your audience. Each time someone clicks on your link and signs up with QUADCODE, you'll earn a commission based on their trading activity. Earn commissions. QUADCODE offers a transparent and efficient payment system. You can track your earnings in real time and request a payout as soon as you reach the minimum threshold. Steps to becoming a QUADCODE affiliate. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Begin by clicking the link provided in the video's description or pinned comment. This will take you directly to the QUADCODE affiliate registration page. Enter your details, fill in your personal information, including your name, email, and a secure password. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any issues with payment processing. Choose your promotional materials. After signing up, browse through the available promotional materials. Pick the ones that best suit your audience and the niche you're targeting. Start promoting. Utilize the marketing tools provided to share your affiliate links. The more you promote effectively, the greater your potential earnings. Tips for maximizing your earnings. Understand your audience. Tailor your promotions to meet the specific needs and interests of your audience. Provide valuable and relevant content about QUADCODE and its features. Create engaging content. Invest time in creating high-quality content that emphasizes the advantages of using QUADCODE. This could include tutorials, in-depth reviews, or informative blog posts.